Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
Welcome to Amavenzo TV. We are at Altapa. It's the Petway Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 3, Orbit College 1. I'm joined by Tutula Ruben.
Mr. Steve.
Yeah, sure. Angimnandi putomda.
Yazi mina mfethu ngiyayithanda excitement yanamhlanje.
Yeah.
Ngoba inamabhakani phakathi. Abona labantu laba bahlezi ba expect something intebheda ukeza nje.
Yeah, va.
Nakho namhlanje abayitholanga lento bebayifuna. Yabona mfethu labantu abayidinga anti present kwamanje ne ukuthi babe right bakhule off ngoba abakhohleleke ukuthi sibuyele phezulu kwegame namhlanje. Igame namhlanje bemnandi futhi. Si enjoyile in terms of ngizobuya ngiqale ngalo mfethu uVuma. uVuma mfethu kade lento ala Kaizer Chiefs. Angeke kokuqala la mistake ayenzile uyabheda. Yabona mina if I was a coach bengizomkhipha.
No sikhatheni.
Bengizosheshe ngimkhiphe mina.
Aphume ku game aqeda kuye.
Ukumbonisa ukuthi in terms of how serious we are.
Yes, ukuthi hayi.
In terms of ukuthi siluzile ama points the last games. Lokhu siluza nakhona siluzile. What a poor performance ayenzile kule game ye Pirates yenzile. So why don't you rectify your mistakes in terms of ukuthi siye phambili.
But yena ubuyele emuva.
Ubuyele emuva vie. So ke yabona mina ngithi 3 points. 3 goals. Number 3. 3 Number 3 on the back. Baba, bheka lalela.
Mara sikhala ngoVuma
bafethu. Ngijabulile mina mfethu namhlanje ngihappy. Ngijabulele 3 points ethu. Angifuni uqamba manga. Yabona abomakhelwane bethu okezela ubhuti. Waza ama-generator fethu wazala. Yabona labo bhuti laba. Yabona ngisaphinda ozazwela akubalekile. Yabona lo bhuti lo. Ngiyothi ngiyamthanda lo bhuti lo. Awuyathanda ukungiminyela.
Bona ngajabulanga
akajabulanga. Ende futhi bungana ungene ngegoli. Ungene uthema kangeni mangimbulisa ngithinta ngithinta isandla nginginika izinto.
Ngishanga
angiminyela into ezuseless.
Mara wena usakha.
No, mara ngiminyela into ezuseless.
Wena satha.
No, ke create a call disturbance.
Shangubene mfethu.
Isofanele 1-0 no lesha.
No.
Step like a call. Ngiminyela nonsense.
Yes, Steve.
Uthi 1.
Uthi 2 uthi 3 uyazi umntana maseka afika ku 3 uyabona ukuthi sewune light ukuthi anga counter lo mntwana ila sama number vaya khona uyabona so sihamba ngobu 3 kahle yazi mase ngithi number 3 angisazi ukuthi ngikhuluma ngama 3 goals or ngikhuluma ngaye 3 points or ngikhuluma ngeposition 3 but yazi ngithanda into engiyibonayo kuma stats ya understand Sithibo sijabulile Vandag abafana bethu mabadlalile and mabanga badlalanga we always say that but Vandag ngithanda the fact ukuthi abafana bami even though kule first 20 minutes benga understand ukuthi what's happening uBruce Vuma mfethu like I'm disappointed ku Bruce Vuma kahle
must concentrate
yazi mangibheka uBruce Vuma the way like ayenza ngakhona yazi like I retirement ayifiki ngoba because of age yakho let's look at uThemba Zwane like he's very old but he's still giving the team like best performance that he can give the team, you understand? But now Sipega Uvuma, like Vuma has been there to Kaizer Chiefs for a very long time now. For him to concede such a small goal, a small mistake, a senior player like Uvuma. Ubani lobeka fake ibhanti namhlanje. Ufika uyenza into efana naleya. Disappointed thina as ama-fans. Why? Because we're looking at you ukuthi upush team, uziprove, uzibonisa but ufika wenza into yenzile. Okay, must move lapha. Mina Stibo like uCross ungidlalele kahle Vandag. The man of the match yami makubekile uCross Vandag top performance. Ngithanda the fact ukuthi like abaphenikanga abafana bami although they considered leya goal leyana bekungamelanga ukuthi siconsider and then babuya substitution Vandag top notch substitution yethu. Understand? So ngithanda into yenzekele lana
Sandana.